If your air conditioner is blinking, it may indicate a problem that needs to be addressed. One possible issue is faulty installation, which could be due to an electrical connection problem or loose wires. In this case, checking the manual and verifying the error code can help identify the issue. If the installation is indeed the problem, it may be necessary to consult a technician to fix it. Another potential cause of a blinking air conditioner is a failing compressor, which is a crucial component responsible for pumping refrigerant throughout the unit to cool the air. Checking the compressor for dirt or damage can help determine the course of action. If it's dirty, cleaning it may resolve the issue. But if it's faulty, replacement may be necessary. Low refrigerant levels can also cause an air conditioner to blink, as the system relies on a specific level of refrigerant to function properly. If the refrigerant level is too low, the air conditioner will struggle to cool the air, and it's recommended to have a professional check and handle this issue due to the chemical nature of the refrigerant.